How to change your ease on Discord? Open the Discord app, then go to Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go to Settings on the top right corner of the screen. On the Settings page, go to Account. Here we don't see any option to change our date of birth. So what we need to do is to scroll down and under Support, tap on Support. And on this Discord support page, you need to tap on three-line icon at the top of the screen and tap on Submit a Request. Now, under What can we help with you, you need to tap on arrow on this box, and from this drop-down menu box, tap on Help and Support. And here you have to enter your email address. Then on this type of question, you need to tap on the arrow, and here you can enter Discord account credentials. After that, again on this discount account credential, you need to tap on arrow, or instead of that, you can also tap on general question as well. And here you can enter the subject matter that you are facing to change the age on Discord. Here are some of the suggested articles, and here you can add the description about your issue. After you have added the description of your issue, you can add the attachment as well. You can add file or draw files on this box, which is optional. Now click on the submit button. So your request was successfully submitted. Now you have to wait for a while until your request will be reviewed by the Discord team and change your age on Discord. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.